Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. You guys, today's video, it's the Moira Beauty Quest Beauty Adventure Palette. I posted this on Shorts. It got a lot of views, so I'm hoping the video will translate that way as well. And Moira packaging is like beautiful, crazy. There's like this little insert. It's all the things. But here's the inside of the palette. Very pretty, colorful, fun. Yeah. Let's get started. This shade right here, Hooray, is just really pretty, and that's what we're gonna start with. Oh wow, holy, yep. Did not expect that much pigment. The first couple taps, that was crazy. All right, you guys, I like it. I like it. So how is everyone doing? Do you have any summer plans? Do you go on vacation? We don't go on vacation. Our jobs kind of, we can't really take off like that, and also like it's just really expensive, and it's just we don't get away. But if you do, I would love to hear about it. Let's go in with the shade Bestie Approved, and we'll kind of blend it out with that other shade. Yeah, I don't know. I think it would be fun to get away, even just for a couple days, but yeah, like we can't with our jobs. My husband and I, we can't do that. Yeah, so we don't really do anything fun ever. We just, I guess like our schedules are completely opposite and things just don't work out like that. And, hopefully, fingers crossed, my husband will be getting like hired on with a new company. But then we won't see each other. We will have no days off together. But it will come with more money, which we desperately need, and hopefully it'll lead to bigger and better things for him. So, yeah, that's just life sometimes. Things just work out in weird ways. It's like what may be good is also really bad, but that's honestly been our whole relationship. So, yeah. So I'm going to take one of the shimmer shades. I'm really wanting to go in with this green shade, Beauty Quest, which is right here, because it just looks absolutely beautiful. And I just feel like green would go perfectly with the blues. I feel like this isn't going on as pigmented as most Moira shimmers. I'm definitely having to build it up, which is okay as long as I can get there, you know, which I think I am getting there. I'm just shocked because usually there's just a lot more pigment in their shimmers. Like one run and you're good to go. Oh, I can feel that dropping on my face. Oh, buddy, yeah. Gonna be doing some cleaning up. Oh my God, I just keep feeling it like dropping right here, like on my face. The shimmers, yeah. I mean, this is really pretty though, so I guess it's worth it. Okay, yeah. Very pretty. Love the green and the blue together. Very pretty. All right, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Shuffle, which is that really pretty blue right there. Now for a lower inner corner highlight, I think I'm going to go with the shade, this shade Lucky right here is just really pretty, so I'm going to go with that one. Ooh, Okay, that is like the most beautiful gold shade. Wow. I was thinking it'd be more champagne-y, but it's definitely giving off some pretty gold vibes. Okay, now for the other eye. Let's start with the shade Beauty Pro, which is this shade right here. We're gonna dump that in the crease. Stamp it, place it, all of the above. All right. Now I'm going to take the shade Rainbow, which is right here. I'm just gonna blend it into and out that first shade. Now I'm gonna put some glitter glue down. I guess I'm gonna go in with the shade Fun Time, which is this shade right here. Oh yeah. That's pretty. Very, very, very pretty. Just the shimmer in this is phenomenal. For the lower lash line, I guess I'll go in with the shade Beauty Pro, which is the first shade we started with, just because. All right, and for the lower inner corner highlight, I'm just gonna go in with the shade Draw Token, which is this one right here. That just looks really, really, really pretty. All right, so to recap, I have to go clean up some fallout mess, do my mascara, gonna fix the bangs, and then I'll be back. This was the Moira Beauty Adventure palette. I'm so sorry, going 1,000 miles an hour. Batteries are about to die. I have no other backup batteries because, like, for some reason all my batteries die and I don't have any place to charge them. But here's the inside of this palette. It is really, really beautiful, really, really pretty, all the good things. Here's the final look-sies, if you can even see them, because the bangs, I swear they've gotten so much longer and I've literally had them for a day. Yeah. Whew. But anyway, I do like the looks I created. They are beautiful. I wish my bangs would cooperate, but what lip am I wearing? I literally know, but I don't know. Here it is. It is the Wet n Wild Rich Satin Lip in the shade Fire Sign. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I am really actually impressed with all the lipsticks in this line. So I think they're like $2, $3 a piece. Phenomenal. You guys, I hope that you remember that you were loved, you were beautiful, you're amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.